Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve crop on CapCut app. To know how to fix or how to solve crop on CapCut app, you should just go to settings. Here we'll enter. Then this page of app info, you will the page of settings. You will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll search about the application of CapCut. Then you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Then don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.